Hi, I'm Jeff Blaney.
I'm Wayne Borkhardt. We'd like to welcome you to Dyer's all-new Collision Repair Center at 435 First Street, Vero Beach, Florida.
We'd like to take you on inside for a quick tour of our facility.
This is our all brand new state-of-the-art 20,000 square foot collision repair facility, which is all climate controlled.
We have a combined experience of 385 years between our technicians and our estimators and our management staff. We're ICAR Gold certified, which means that we fix the car right the first time with industry standards.
We have the ability here to repair anything from your smallest scratch to your largest collision repair.
We work with all major insurance companies, and we're a direct repair facility for 3 of the major ones.
Here's some of the high-tech equipment we've invested in to restore your car back to pre-collision condition.
This is one of our paint booths. We use Sherwin-Williams water-based paints and their computerized color matching system to ensure a perfect match.
Thanks for coming along for the tour. I hope you never need us, but if you do, we're here at 435 First Street, Vero Beach, Florida.